It looks like a little space-age shed, but this tiny office could be a welcome creation for some of the millions of people struggling to find adequate workspace during the pandemic. It's called My Room in the Garden, and it does what it says on the label, providing a space to work or rest that's not in the house. The wooden structure has been created by London-based architectural firm Buono Prismontas, who believe spaces like this provide more than just a practical working environment.
Having the little threshold where you have to step out from your house and cross the garden and enter another little room is probably enough to give you that break, in your mind and kind of helps your mental health.
This modular unit isn't cheap. Prices start at more than €5,700, but the makers say there's a lot of flexibility to be able to create the kind of space you really want. The 2.5 metre high room's birch plywood structure is made in London, but Buono Prismontas is now getting inquiries from around the world. It seems the traditional garden shed may have grown up.